Welcome to our channel. If you're seeing Roku's error code 009, it typically means there's a problem with your device's network connection. This error can be caused by issues with your Wi-Fi or network settings. In this video, we'll guide you through 11 ways to fix this issue and get your Roku back up and running. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Roku device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If your internet is down or unstable, error code 009 may appear. Run a speed test to confirm your internet speed is adequate for streaming, at least 3 megabits per second for SD, 5 megabits per second for HD. 2. Restart your Roku device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve network issues. To restart, go to Settings, System Restart on your Roku. Alternatively, unplug the Roku from the power source for 10 seconds and plug it back in. 3. Restart your router/modem. Unplug your router and modem for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for the devices to fully restart, and try reconnecting Roku to your network. 4. Check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your Roku is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. If there are multiple networks available, you might be connected to the wrong one. If possible, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for a stronger and more reliable connection. 5. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network, Set up Connection, and select Wireless. Choose Forget Network for your current connection, then reconnect by selecting your network and entering the password again. 6. Update your Roku software. An outdated software version can cause errors. To check for updates, go to Settings, System Update, and select Check Now. If an update is available, install it and try reconnecting to your network. 7. Move Roku closer to the router. If your Roku is far from the router or obstructed by walls, the signal may be weak. Try moving your Roku device closer to the router to improve the signal strength. 8. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy on your router, it might be interfering with Roku's connection. Disable the VPN/proxy and try connecting to the network again. 9. Check for network interference. Other devices in your home could be causing Wi-Fi interference. Try turning off other devices that are using the same network, like gaming consoles, smart TVs, etc., to reduce network traffic. 10. Factory reset your Roku, last resort. If nothing else works, you can try performing a factory reset on your Roku device. This will erase all your settings and data. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Roku. 11. Contact Roku support. If the issue persists after trying all the fixes, you may need to reach out to Roku's customer support. They can help identify any hardware or network-related issues affecting your device. By following these 11 fixes, you should be able to resolve Roku's error code 009 and get back to streaming in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips.